Ford and Filson partner to support the National Forest Foundation. Now, I did a video on this earlier, and this SUV is awesome. When I look at this SUV, I say to myself, the two words, if not the three words, come to mind, and that's get shit done. The 2021 Ford Bronco Firecrew rig is in partnership with Filson. Ford Motor Company unveiled the 2021 Ford Bronco Filson Firecrew concept rig, and they revealed it about a month ago, might be a month and a half, in Seattle, Washington. Now, this is one of a kind vehicle. It takes the capability and durability of the Ford newest 4x4 SUV and outfits it like never before. Now, the Firecrew concept was built to honor and support wildland firefighters and the National Forest Foundation, acronym NFF, who work day in and day out to protect and rebuild our nation's national forests. Ford started with the four-door Badland trim Bronco with both the Sasquatch package and a Lux equipment pack group. Now, the powertrain featured the 2.7-liter V6 engine and the 10-speed automatic transmission. The Bronco was painted in the iconic Forest Service green that adorned the historic rig originally built for the U.S. Forest Services. With paint complete, the outfitting process began. Ford worked with wildland firefighters, fire truck designer, and the NFF to spec a vehicle that suited all the needs and wants of a wildland firefighter. This concept combines the ruggedness and capability of a wildfire rig with the comfort, elegance, and durability of a signature Filson materials. The business end of the vehicle starts right behind the front two seats. A transparent partition separates the cab from the working area that now replaces the second row of seats and extends into the cargo area. Now, according to Ford press release, a Chemtech Firelight fire rescue transport skid with Hannay rails, fire hose, Davy high pressure water pump, and a 50-gallon water tank is mounted in back, while the steel chainsaw, two hard hats, a high lift jack, and a sure seal drip torch are latched to the skid. In addition to this, the custom roof rack is equipped with Pulaski shovel X's and is able to double as a lookout platform to scope out the surrounding area. Now, moving to the front of the vehicle, you start to see the bespoke elements of the Filson and Ford have integrated into the concept. The seats feature the black quilted leather, and as we can see, let's go through some pics. This is just sharp, and that's that black quilted leather. Now, the same leather used in their jackets. The outer green duck canvas on the bolsters, center console and door rollovers, the bucking Bronco emblem that is usually finished in satin chrome have been swapped for a brass plated badge. The collaboration goes beyond just the vehicle. It underscores a larger effort of conservation and reforestation. Ford Filson also supported the NFF efforts to plant 50 million trees in 2021 through the Bronco Wild Fund. The planting of these trees start the arduous process of addressing the over 1.1 million acres in need of reforesting. Now, finally, Ford and Filson have announced that they will donate 2 of these Firecrew Broncos to wildland fire stations with the highest need in consultation with the National Forest Foundation. We're excited to see a new Bronco that not only pushes the creative limit of the vehicle, but also represents an overarching message of preservation that will allow the Bronco owners to enjoy America outdoors for generations to come. Straight up awesomeness, folks. And as we look here, the Filson material, it's just like when you look at something like this, you say to yourself, I'll never have a Filson rig. our Firecrew rig. This doesn't really interest me. But when you look at the materials and everything else, it gives you ideas. It gives you ideas for customization to your own Bronco. From the seats, the leather seats, and everything else. It's just quality. It's exuding with quality. And when you think about that, it just makes you, so much more want a Bronco. You're talking about and then when you look at the materials, you look at the rack on top. It's just straight up awesome. This is Automotive Reviews. And when I think about this rig, I think about get shit done. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. This is straight up awesome. You got the high pressure water pump, the 50-gallon water tank mounted to the back. You have the Chemtech Firelight, fire rescue transport skid. You got all that here. Automotive Reviews. This is the Filson rig. Have an awesome day.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.